Hello students, welcome to ePathshala. My name is Sunil Kumar. I am working as an assistant professor in Government College Deravasi. Today we are going to work and discuss on the module named as Political Parties in Advanced Industrial Society. It is the part of a paper called Comparative Politics in Advanced Industrial Society. In this module, we will see the role of political parties, how they work, how they act, how they think in advanced industrial society. As we know that advanced industrial society are much mature in the way of democracy comparatively to post-colonial and third world democracies. Here political parties have specific role because they here in advanced industrial society political parties are much mature comparatively to another part of world. Here we have a long history of political system. Here we have a long history of democracy. In democracy the political parties are crucial. In democracy political parties are central figure. So in such kind of scenario where long history of democracy, we have long history of political system, we have long history of constitutional system, what is the role of political party? How do they act? How do they perform their jobs? What do they, is any problem are coming, are people are satisfied with democracy, or in case people are not satisfied with political parties, how do they react? In the reaction, how do political parties counter the reactions? How they work to assimilate the interest of masses? How masses react to political parties and how political parties react to masses? These are the things we are going to read in this module, and we are going to see in this module. This module is somewhere give us a glimpse of political parties, firstly political parties, and then role of political parties specifically to advanced industrial societies, which is a majorly the focus is on US and United Kingdom, or we can name it as Britain or England. So the role of political party in this society is very crucial and is very important. In this module, we would see the role of political parties in advanced industrial societies, how they work, what are their major aims, what are their objectives. What is political party? A political party is like a group of like-minded people having same aims, having same ideology, and grouped together by some few same like thinking. Generally they are means and as well as for capturing power. They aims to capture power and use common good for the welfare of masses. Political parties are central figure in the democratic mechanism. They are essential for the survival of democracy because without them democracy cannot survive. They inherit a specific and important role for the survival of democracy. Without them, the survival of democracy is impossible. They play essential role during elections. They analyze the pulse and opinion of people, and they infuse new energy and dynamism among masses. Apart from contesting elections, they also help to communicate with masses, to communicate or establish links between masses. They generate political consensus among masses. They articulate wishes of masses. They aggregate the demands of masses, and they establish a system called feedback system through which they can understand the scenario and understand the pulse of people by getting the feedback. Western democracies talks about freedom, equality and justice. They believe in giving equal opportunity to everyone, to provide political opportunity to everyone. Western democracies believe in fair election. The election should be free, everyone should participate in election without any problem, when everyone should contest election. They induct people into political system. They bring political system closer to the masses. They generate their opinion. They build consensus among masses. They play the role of social change. If people are demanding any kind of social change, these political parties build that social change and try to establish a link between masses and that particular social change. They mobilize masses and compete for political support of masses so that masses can understand their viewpoints and political parties can understand the viewpoint of masses. They also play a very decisive role. They orient the masses towards political system and their viewpoints. Political parties also play some another kind of important role about any particular issues. They motivate people about particular issues. They should mobilize voters, and apart from this, they try to hit hard over political issues. Generally, there are two forms of political parties: oppositional party and ruling parties. Type of political parties, we've all over the world, we have three kind of political parties: single party, as found in most of the communist states like China and North Korea; bi-party, where generally there are two major parties, like in United States there are two political parties, Democratic and Republic; multi-party, they can compete elections like India and Pakistan. That political parties are central figure in the democratic setup. They act as an agent of democracy. In developed country, the role of these political parties are become more specific. They are very crucial for building a link between civil society and the major holder of power. They try to accommodate and adjust the different interests of people. They also assimilate interests, as we see that globalization is in force. They keep heterogeneity alive and healthy. They try to assimilate the interest of every growing migrant people. Political parties talk of development. Political parties have a specific role in their specific countries. Political parties have evolved in US. They have a long history and rich history. Each political party, similarly in United States, there are two major parties, Conservative Party and Labour Party. They are also historical parties. In United Kingdom, the political parties try to create the voice of masses. It is especially the role of oppositional parties is quite healthy in the case of United Kingdom. In United Kingdom, there is one thing called shadow cabinet. This is also known as Her Majesty's Opposition, in which oppositional parties have specific role. The leading opposition party would form a shadow cabinet, which is similarly like a ruling cabinet. This shadow cabinet try to create oppositional balance for the ruling cabinet. Political parties represent the interest of masses. They help in peaceful coexistence. They manage the conflict interest among masses. They represent the interest of different section of masses. They nurture politicians for future. They recruit people. The role of ruling parties in Western democracy or in advanced industrial countries, they run country. They frame the progressive rules for the society. They articulate the wishes of people. They aggregate the interest of people. And as Western state is a catchy slogan of the contemporary period. Role of opposition. The opposition parties play a very constructive role in Western democracy, as we have seen that in United Kingdom. Apart from this, they help to the nation in economic form. They manage finances. They start the modernizing process and help to inform people, focus on issues, and they solve the issues. In United States, recently a news came out that young people are participating in lesser number. They are showing less interest in political system. This is really a warning sign that why young people are not interested in participating in this type of elections or in not interested in political parties. Now it's a sign for political parties that they have to deliver. Now we'll have to see that is it blessing or curse over political party. Political party can fulfill the role, they can fulfill their promise, but what is the requirement of masses? What happens when they are remain failed to deliver? If parties remain failed to deliver, then what would happen? Will they be anti-people or will masses go against them? Now political party will have to play a mature role in advanced industrial societies, because the expectation and the tradition, history of political parties tell them to be a mature and play a mature role, because the expectation of people are high in Western democracies, and historically political parties have worked for people. Political party not only represent masses, but they also work for them. Representation is one aspect, but political parties also work for people from time to time, institutionally and non-institutionally. They are important vehicles for change in any political system. Political parties have role of multitasking. Political parties build ideas and interests. They are huge machineries that have to do different things. They have to be expert in the management of political issues. Political parties use different strategies to garner support by rallies, door-to-door campaign, public meeting, informal gathering. Political parties also play the balancing role among different sections of masses. As we know, social diversity is a common phenomena. It is found in every society. So political parties try to balance this social diversity and generate a common idea through which a decision can be taken. Political parties perform various functions like they inform people, help the people to deliberate, give a voice to aspiration of people. I am going to summarize the thing we have learned in a module named as political party in advanced industrial society. We have seen that how political parties in advanced industrial society act, how do they perform in advanced industrial society. We can conclude some points like in advanced industrial society, political parties act much maturely comparatively to other systems, like they try to build consensus among masses on particular issues. If masses are working on particular issues and demanding on particular issues, political party try to act as a link between ruling regime and masses, so that people or politician can become aware about the issues, particular issues. Apart from this, political parties in advanced industrial society try to recruit new masses in form of leaders. They create new leaders, they mobilize interest, they make them aware about the issues. And the second thing is they are most interested in interest articulation. They articulate interest. If they are having any masses or mass having any specific interest, they articulate these issues, they mobilize people, and they ask from people that what are they are going to do. So we can conclude, we can say that political parties are acting much maturely in advanced industrial society comparatively to other states.